Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of pit bike accessories, and we've got something special for you: the best pit bike seat available in the market. Introducing the Necaces tall seat for CRF50 XR50 pit dirt bike. If you're an avid pit biker, you know the importance of comfort and control when tearing up those off-road tracks.
And this seat delivers just that and more. Let's talk about why this seat stands out from the rest.
Firstly, it's designed to fit a range of bikes, from 50cc to 150cc, ensuring compatibility with many popular models like CRF50 and XR50. Measuring at 45 cm long, 12 cm wide, and 12 cm high, this seat provides extra height, giving you a more comfortable riding experience.
Plus, it's equipped with a non-slip cover for added safety and stability.
Installation is a breeze with its easy bolt-on design.
No need for complicated setups or tools. Just bolt it on, and you're good to go.
Now, it's essential to note that this seat is specifically tailored for XR50 CRF50 models and their copies. So, be sure to double-check compatibility before ordering. With a price tag of $35.99, this seat is a steal for the comfort and quality it offers. And guess what?
It's available right now on Amazon, with only 17 left in stock.
So, if you're ready to take your pit biking experience to the next level, look no further than the Necaces tall seat. Get yours today and hit those trails in style and comfort.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.
Until next time, happy riding!